The wind died down a second. I'm gonna get a little footage of this guy. My Rlaarlo. Sweet little car. The battery I have in it is kind of small for the compartment. I've got them for my HVX 16th scale cars, even though they're a little big for those. I couldn't find any more of the Venoms that kind of fit in those cars. But that stock battery compartment on the HVX 16889 is too small. And this one has a battery compartment that'll fit, you know, like a 2200 milliamp hour battery in it. And I've got about a 1500 in it right now. 100C gold bat. 100C apparently, supposedly. It says that on the packaging. Alright, wind's picking up again. I've got my trusty like windproof jacket, so it's not, the wind's not getting through there. It is getting through, and I'm sure that the camera is picking up all that wind. So anyway, let's try this thing out here. The ground is frozen. It looks like a nice sunny day, but it's cold as wizards. If that's a thing. It's not a thing, so just disregard what I just said, please. Please and thank you. Alright, yeah, and this thing's kind of small for this. The majority of the get up and down is not in the beginning of the throttle for this thing. It's up in the throttle. But it's definitely got some punch to it. Because of that slipper clutch, it's got a little bit of, you know, like sponginess to it, but that's good. That's fine. Better than stripped gears. And I haven't gone in there and messed with the slipper at all. I'm trying to keep the microphone away from that wind, the source of the wind. So it's limited what I can do here with this little guy. I love this car. It's great with jumps. Take it out and it's perfect. Oh, see, the wind, every now and then it'll die down and I'll go, okay, now's the time. And then it picks back up. So they're like expecting squalls and things like that today, so, or later on. I live in New York, upstate, where the weather's very goofy. Ooh. Alright, let's see if we can get a good jump out of this. There we go. Oh! Yeah, like I said, the ground is rock hard because it's frozen. And this guy, see that steering screw? It's coming loose. I better not drive it. Because it's not supposed to be in there. I just found one. And I lost one of the stock ones. And I don't know what else to put there. I dare not, you know, I'm gonna have to call or, you know, order one from Rlaarlo. So let's just take it back in and call it a day. And I'm sorry for the disappointing run. By the time I get back there, that screw will probably be missing. It's wobbling around in there as it is. But I can't really handle this cold anyway. And since I live 5 minutes down the road, I just decided to give it a go. But, you know, this car is up to 170 something, I think. But that's still doable for what you're getting compared to other things. It's within the realm of being an alright priced car for what you're getting. But yeah, check your screws, especially these steering screws, these two right here. Hope I'm getting those on camera. you want to get some thread lock in there before you run your car. So pop them out when you get them, put some thread lock in there, and you should be good. Yeah, see, that's a Phillips head. I didn't have, that's the closest thing I had to the thread for that. But anyway, I didn't want to put thread lock in it because I didn't want to keep it. So eventually I'm gonna have to, maybe when I get home I'll order that. But overall, a great car. And I'll show you the battery I was running in this. I probably didn't bring it anywhere near empty, but there it is, gold bat. Actually, these are my favorite little adapters to turn the EC60s or whatever these are into dunes, and they come with the Venom batteries that are about that size. And I had like 3 of them. They get ruined over time because of how I would use them. They would poke on this one part in my HBX because I had to put them in there sideways. And the thing that holds the steering servo in kind of pokes up the screw right into the cell. And I think that's what screwed some of mine up, but I do love these things. Anyway, this is a great little car. And if you're into RCs, get this thing. It's a good one if you can afford, you know, to spend a couple, just under 200 bucks on a decent RC. It's definitely worth it. Take it easy, guys.